Hi everyone, I'm Divya from Enlingua Academy. Recently, when I had a conversation with one of my students, he was finding it very difficult to talk about the hectic day of his work. So I thought I can make a video to help you to describe the hectic day of your work. Please imagine that I am the person who is talking about the hectic day in my work. Let me share one of the busiest days I had at work recently. It was the day when we were about to release a new software update and I was responsible for testing it thoroughly before the final deployment. From the very beginning, I carefully checked each feature and continuously ran multiple test cases to ensure everything was working properly. Suddenly, I discovered a critical bug that seriously affected the main functionality and the situation quickly became extremely stressful. I immediately informed the development team and clearly explained the issue. Then, I worked closely with the team and repeatedly tested the fixes as they updated the code. Throughout the day, I was constantly switching between tasks, effectively documenting issues and actively communicating with the team. Although I felt quite pressurized at times, I handled everything calmly and professionally. By the end of the day, the issue was successfully resolved and the software was finally released smoothly. Despite the pressure, I felt quite proud of how efficiently I handled everything. Dear students, try to use simple past and past continuous when you are about to describe something which happened in the past. For example, we have used the word I discovered, I informed, I worked to highlight the usage of simple past tense. We have also used past continuous to describe the action which happened in the background. For example, I was constantly switching, they were updating the code. We have also used few adverbs in order to explain the intensity of the verbs. So adverb is something which is describing the verb in detail. For example, carefully checked, continuously ran, clearly explained, successfully resolved. Use these type of adverbs to explain the intensity of the work you have done. Let's understand the common errors. I am testing when I found a bug is wrong. You have to use it like I was testing when I found a bug. Next, we use it like I was completed the task, but the right usage is I completed the task. Finally, we say it like I did my work good. You should use it like I did my work very well. Next time when you are about to describe a hectic day of your work, remember instead of just telling what happened, exaggerate it or develop the story by telling how it happened and when it happened. Thank you.